something called Runaways from the Flood.
Woo!
Come on up, Kira.
Love a dress.
Doesn't she look good?
This whole thing?
She stole it from the costume shop. I'm not lying. I own this.
The bow tie too?
Yes, duh. Hey, aren't you going to watch the fireworks?
No,
Why not?
because I never do.
I think you'd like it.
No, I wouldn't.
Bet you would. First you see just a spark, headed somewhere in the dark. No one knows what she's running from.
She...
Yeah, fireworks are girls.
No, they're not.
They're runaways in the night, pretty little specks of light. No one knows what they might become, but give them room, and kaboom, they explode into bloom. They're runaways on a rocket ride, and what they got inside you won't see. They're runaways taking up on holidays, like some other little girls I see.
I am not a little girl.
Who said I was talking about you? I know lots of girls. Shh, they're starting.
Sounds to me like a bomb, like they had in Vietnam. Don't you know that's how people die?
Sounds to me like your dad told you it was something bad. You don't know, not unless you try. If you look now, then kapow, you would know, you'd see how.
They're runaways going on a rocket ride, and what they've got inside I ought to see. Such beautiful runaways.
If you could set the sky ablaze, then I think that's what you'd want to be. See? What'd I tell you?
They are pretty. It's the prettiest ever.
Just give them room, and kaboom,
They explode into bloom.
up from the ground, heaven bound,
Heaven bound.
seen and